Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the Sheba Group of School online class. I'm really very happy to be with you once again. Now we are in the 6th unit, a completed prose poem. Now we are in the supplementary, the last lesson in our book. So, remember Caesar. It's a play, it's a drama written by Jordan Deviot. So, remember, don't forget. The forgetting is a common for all. So, this story tells us that whatever you are being remembered, don't forget. So, Caesar is a very important name, usually loved by the writers. So, here we are going to the lesson now. Before the lesson, we have to go to the author on page number. Turn your book. If you got your book, use it. So, on page number 204, you got the author photo. It's a lady author. Jordan Deviot is the pen name of Miss Elizabeth Mackintosh, a Scottish-born novelist and playwright. She belongs to Scotland, and she is a novel. Novel means short stories, and also a playwright. A playwright, it is a long process where we have to express the whole thing with the characters in it. That is the play. So you are also going to see the play which has been written by her. She served educational institution in England and Scotland as a physical educational teacher. So she was a PT Miss in Scotland, and she also worked in England, and soon took to writing. After that, what happened? She had a passion of writing, so she came to the writing. She wrote novels under another name called as Josephine Tay. So she also another name, she a pen name. So to know them popularly, this usually the writers they keep the name which has been popular. So Josephine Tay is the other thing. So let us go to the lesson now. It's a very long lesson, so I have to make it short for you. So the lesson starts in page number 195. So open your book. So before going to the video, you have to go through the lesson. Then only you will be able to understand the story. So here it's a play. Julius Caesar was a brilliant military general and great Roman monarch. So usually we used to admire the heroes. Usually our country, we have cine heroes are our heroes, and the heroines are our favorite. They have got army for those people and all. So here, but the English people, those who are writing, so they are called as, they love this Julius Caesar. He was born on 13th of July in 100 BC, before Christ. He was a writer. He created the Julius calendar. So he is a well famous man, the Julian calendar. Nowadays we are using it. He was assassinated by a group of Roman senators in 44 BC. The day of the Julius Caesar was murdered was 15th March and called the Ides of March in ancient Rome. So this date is very important, 15th of March. So here is a play that revolves around the Ides of March, that is 15th of March. So we are going to see the characters of this story is Lord Weston, he is the judge, and Roger is the assistant. You see the judge, they have some people to assist them. Then Lady Weston is the wife of this judge, and you are going to see Mr. Caesar the gardener. So these are the people, characters, those who are there in this play. So let us go into the play now. So Lord West is created, seated by the firewood. So he is now inside his home now. So after the work is over, they come and sit. In England, the climate is entirely different. So what happened in the night season, they used to have a fireplace where the fire will be burning and the people and the family members will be sitting there. So here also what happened, this judge is seated there in the firewood place where books and papers beside him. So being a judge, he will be having some books for reference and other things, and also some papers to note down the important points. He seated Mr. Roger Church, a thin earnest. So Roger is coming inside, absent-minded and continuous young person. So he enters now to meet his boss, the judge. So he is coming inside. So he is absent on his employer's business. So what happened usually? So the family members also what they do if they want to write the provision, they will be writing the provision list because whatever they remember at that time they will be writing it to go on by. The same way what happened, some people, what happened, the remembrance. To remember that they will be having a slip of paper which has been written in it and they will be keeping in the front or they will be keeping it in the pocket. So when they go out, what happened? When they look at, put in the pocket, they will be taking the paper and which will be the remembrance. So what is that? The same way here also we see this. So it's an absent-minded. So what happened? He writes and so Western Roger is not along the question. So now it's a duty. So what happened is the duty to remember all the things for the judge because you will be having so many official things. All these things should be remembered. So what happened? He will be there. So that at that time what happened? What is that talking of? So he was very much scared of being a judge because he is reading the newspaper and other things. What they think is usually the higher officials will be killed those days for the evidence and other things. Usually judge, what happened? They give the judgment. So the true and honest people will be threatened by the criminals that if you give a judgment like this that we will kill you. So he was the mind was like that. Usually don't he will be protected by all the other things, but his mind setup is like that. So I will be someday will be killed. So no, at what was taking off? So what happened at that time? So he took we were talking of your extraordinary request for a holiday. So he was talking about the assistant. So usually he used to take half a day leave. Morning you will be there, afternoon or morning you will not come, afternoon you will be coming to the work and other things to help this judge. So taking this half a day leave is like that. I thought perhaps you would need to this afternoon also. So the lack is greatly hindered. So that's of course is a different matter. I see no reason for walk by Mr. Clay. So talks about that. So at that time what happened? He puts the judge, he puts a hand in the pocket and he takes out a small bit of paper which is being written there. See, it is written there in the book. Remember Caesar. So Caesar is the date which he got took out of is the 15th March when Caesar was assassinated. So what happened is, so when he took that, his mind got into a thing that this day. So somebody, so he thinks, what? How did this paper came into my pocket? So while he was in the court, what happened? While he was passing through, he was being dashed out by some person. So he thought that that person would have put with this bit of paper into his pocket, and he was thinking about that. So he has been taking the vengeance. So somehow he is going to kill me. So what happened? He was making preparation of taking the pistol and other things, closing all the windows, and he asked everything. The whole building is being closed now. And he is being safeguarded. So he is sitting there. The judge is inside the house. So now what happened is Roger is helping him to do his work. So what happened? So all this happening. So he was facing up the cupboard and leveled the pistol. So he was keeping ready. If anyone comes to harm him or anyone comes to kill him, what happened? We have to take revenge. So what happened? He was taking his pistol and keeping it on the table and all the other things. I shall shoot you now. So a charming creature. So at that time what happened? His wife enters, that is Lady Weston. She comes inside the room to meet her husband. So when she comes, so she was also astonished to see his husband being prepared for everything, keeping this pistol and other things. But I do wish that Joel wouldn't have failed the water and landing. My dear, your husband's life is in great. So Weston, when he saw his wife, is telling that, my dear wife, that my life is in danger. The last time it was in the danger that you have eating game pie. So usually the it's a habit of the judge to make himself also being threatened and also making the people also beside him to be frightened. So the last time when I told you the same time you are eating that game pie. So you are eating, you are not at all frightened of that. So assassination, well, you always wanted to be a great man and now you have got your wish. So what do you mean? They don't assassinate nobody. So nobody is be assassinated. Assassination means killing a person alive. So show her this paper. Read that and see it if you can laugh. I don't laughing. I am not laughing. What a dreadful scrawl. Yes, the verminous. So when he gave the paper, he showed the paper also. Which has been written that Caesar is, remember Caesar. So she laughed and she said, why is this handwriting is like scribbling? Oh, it is not clear. So the man is may be an illiterate person for to kill you. So your handwriting, the handwriting which has been written in the bit of paper is as if it is an illiterate person. I have deplored before Francis. So yes, of course, I remember. They could stand sir any longer. He was a great man, Weston. So he is telling the way things are going on. Of course not. You shall not go to the home today. So what happens is sending away all. What are the other people, those who are there inside the room is, the helper is there. So the judge is telling, no, send her away. So next is the cook who is going to cook the food for the night. So the dinner, so what happened? Oh, you send her out also. So close everything and keep the room and safe for nobody to enter in and close all the doors and windows that nobody can easily shoot me from outside also or to enter into his house. So isn't a poor little pepper. So it's why he was talking about this. Because it was in my pocket. So the bit of paper was in my pocket. So I found it myself. And I am really thought that somebody is going to harm me. I was looking for something at the lighting the pipe. So there was no spill. No spill, what again? Richard, you smoked for too much. So wife is telling you are smoking too much. So you are being. So at that time only he took this paper out. So what do you know about it? Stop Francis. Francis is another name of his wife. Stop. It's an upsetting me. So the way you are talking is upsetting. I am already in fear that my life will be taken away or somebody will be assassinating me. So I am in a very great position, but you are taking everything lightly. So he was telling his wife, Roger, you have seen to it all. So every door. So he is asking the helper, have you closed everything? So the clerk seemed to think. That's it said, well, speak man, what did she say? And how does she cook things? So the cook was there. So he was again getting frightened. Maybe she's been working, the cook has been working for a very long time in the judge's house. So, but still, he was having a suspect that he may be killed by his cook. So what happened? He's telling them to send. And who will cook? So telling them, tell her to pack her things. So take her things and to leave this place at once. So his wife is asking, then who will cook the food? So Western country, I think that so furiously a suggestion is to act this time. So what happened? So the cook is all gone out. So at that time, so what happened? Now only three of them, Roger, then the judge and his wife is there inside the house. So but Roger, the mind of the judge is always, Western is always there, very cautious that who is going to kill him. So at that time, so what happened? No, don't go. So what happened? At that time there was a parcel in the chair. And this judge got frightened. It may be a bomb or an explosive which he has been used to kill. So what happened? He asked Roger, what is this parcel there? And he said, no, I don't know, sir. So what happened? So bring a bucket of water. So let us soak that parcel and we can fuse it. It will not blast. So what happened? At the time he was putting the parcel into the bucket, but the water was not sufficient. So what happened? He is asking the Roger. So at that time what happened? There was a flower vase with a rose flower in it. So what happened? He took the flower, put it down and he poured the water in the bucket. Now the water is full in the bucket and the parcel was also soaking. So now he is been clear that this will not happen. So what happened? He is telling that if you throw out also it will then it will blast and we will be getting hurt. So let us fuse it. So he was doing like that. So everything is like that. So his time was like that. So he was waiting. So at that time what happened? Anything that is heavy. So okay. So interrupting her anger, the thunder of her name quenched her speech. What does your beautiful brand? So what is that? So what happened? That time what happened? A person is coming inside and he was knocking the door. So this judge got frightened, Weston got frightened. So he's telling Roger to go and see who is there outside. So don't open the door. So he lost everything. He put the hook, everything, chain and everything. The whole house has been sealed and safe. Nobody can enter. So he asked, somebody is knocking the door. Go and see who is there. So at that time what happened? Roger is going to the stairs and he is opening the window. And he was peeping out to see who is there. At that time what happened? He was not able to see the clear picture who is standing there. So I told the judge. So he put a stool on it and he climbed on the stool and he was peeping and he saw that Mr. Caesar, the gardener, was waiting there in the outside the door. So at that time only this Weston was able to understand what is that. So so now only he remembers that he came to the office. So at that time what happened? He said that he will be coming to the house with the rose plant to be planted in the garden. So what happened? So he is there. So then only he remembers what happened really is. When this man came to the office, what happened? To remember what happened, this judge, he took a paper and he wrote a small bit of paper written in it. Remember Caesar. So the whole thing was in the confusion and now he was clear. So that paper is not for assassinating him or to kill him. He himself, but he has forgotten it. And now he remembers. So he is telling that go and open the door. Let that Caesar, the gardener, let him come inside. So he was being allowed. So this type of people are there. Then his wife said, when you come to the last thing, arrested. Oh friends, what is that parcel? So now he is remembering the parcel which has been put into the water and he's been soaked inside the pot. Oh, it's the wife is telling that it's a new gown. You stitch now the brown gown. Usually the judges and other people, they will be having a gown which has been wearing that. So it's a new gown there. So what happened is due to his mistake and due to the fear, இல்லையா, அரண்டவனுக்கு இருண்டதெல்லாம் பேயிடுவாங்க. எதை பார்த்தாலும் இருட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்களே நமக்கு பேய் மாதிரி தெரியும். அதனால் இதே மாதிரி தான் இவனுடைய மனசில் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? மைண்ட் வாஸ் லைக் தட் இஸ் பீன் கரெக்டட். ஸோ ஹாவ் எ கிளியர் மைண்ட். ஸோ வாட் ஹேப்பன் அட் லாஸ்ட்? he was wasted that. So it has been soaking there. Then he asked and he was been and they took it out from the parcel packet and they hang to dry it. So it ends like that. So that's what is a new velvet, dear. I did try to tell you, but I wanted to tell you, but your situation is not there to hear what we tell. So at last he found out that it was, so the whole mess was simply nothing, for good for nothing thing. We worry for certain things which is not at all necessary for us. So here also see this man being a judge, a well-literate man, so well-educated man, but still is in a fear. So the paper which is been in his pocket was written by himself. He himself has written for him to remember that gardener will come. So this story tells us that don't take everything in your worst mind. Don't keep your mind always free and safe, that nobody will harm. When God is with us, nobody can stand against us. This is the verses from the Bible which says, oh, God is with us. Be with that confident that He will protect us from all the evils. No evil will come near us. So this lesson teaches us like that. So don't take your life very worried. Be a thing and keep your mind thing free. In a house also, don't irritate your parents. They will be having lots of problems and other things and worries. So, you have to keep them safe and happy in your house. The children you have to take care of your parents. So keep this in mind. So for nothing, the paper is written by him and he's been kept in the pocket, but he forgot it. So this is the end of the story. So don't be confused. Take everything clear and wait for some times and then think how this happened. Then you will be knowing the solution for all your worries. So thank you very much, students, for being with me in this lesson. God bless you and take care, and God will bless you. Thank you.